Hello everyone, my name is Cao Yunhan and my trigger number is A206730. Today I will present my lab 5. Room is a local database library provided by Android Jetpack. It helps us store applications data permanently inside the mobile device. In professional life, we use the wheel model to store data. However, wheel model only store data temporarily in memory. If the application is closed or restarted, the data will disappear. And the room solves this problem because it saves data into a raw database. The data remains available even after restarting the applications. That is why mobile applications need the persistent storage. Now I will demonstrate my applications. This is the home screen. Here users can see the trace adoption statistics. For example, the adopted number shows how many trees has been adopted. And then now I will click the plant trees. Okay, this opens the trees adoption forms. First, I enter the tree's name, and then I choose the tree's type and the locations. The applications automatically shows the price, and now I click submit. After submitting, the data is saved into the ROM database. Then the applications automatically navigate to the summary page. Here, the latest trace adoptions information is displayed. And next, I open the history page. And here we can see the records include the trace names and trace type, locations, and price. And this shows that the application successfully reads the data from the ROM database. And now I open the previous page. Here the trace adopted number are increased automatically. At the same time, the equal points increased by 15 points. This is because in my applications, one adopted trace equals 50 equal points. This shows that when Zoom data change, the composer UI updates automatically. And now, now I will restart the applications and. Okay, and this is the homepage. And at the homepage, we can see that the adopted number also increased by 1. This is because the home sequence reads the total number of records from the ROM database. And now I will show the database inspectors. I'll okay. Here we can see the table, the database name, the trace database, and when inside it there is a table called trace order. Can see trace order. When I open the when I open the table, I can see the data that I just entered is this one. Okay, this one. And this provides that the data is automatically stored in the database and not only displayed on the screen. And then I will restart the applications. Okay, so I go to the history page. We can see that the same data is still here, and the number on this home screen and the profile screen are same. And also remains correct. The ROM provides persistent storage. If we only use the wheel models, the data will not disappear and would disappear after restarting the applications. And now I will explain one important part of the code. And okay, so and in my project, this trace order in the entity represent one table in the database. And these fields include the ID, name, trace, location, and price. Here's entity here. The entities. It means that there is a database table, and the primary keys defines the unacquired in primary keys. Realm uses these different definitions to store the statistics, store data.